A new chapter in clean aviation has just opened, and it happened in a way that caught even the drone industry by surprise. China has officially broken a world record with a hydrogen-powered drone called Tianmushan-1. It is a machine that stayed in the air for more than 4 hours and covered a distance of nearly 189 kilometers in a single continuous flight. What makes this achievement remarkable is not just the distance, but the technology behind it, a power system that produces electricity from hydrogen in real time while weighing far less than the batteries that dominate today's drones. The story begins with a simple challenge. Drone endurance has always been limited by battery capacity. Even the most advanced lithium battery drones often manage less than an hour of flight. Increasing the battery size helps, but it also adds weight, which reduces flight time again. Engineers have been trapped in a loop where improving one parameter weakens another. Hydrogen fuel cells break that cycle. Instead of storing energy as chemical charge inside a heavy battery, they store it as hydrogen gas inside a lightweight carbon fiber tank. The fuel cell converts that hydrogen into electricity continuously during flight, creating far more usable energy per kilogram. Tianmushan-1 uses this principle to its full advantage. The drone is built around a proton exchange membrane fuel cell that splits hydrogen molecules into protons and electrons. The electrons flow into the motors and power the aircraft. The protons pass through a membrane and combine with oxygen from the air to form water vapor. The entire process is clean, quiet, and efficient. Nothing burns, nothing explodes. The only emission is water. This is why the drone's performance looks so different from traditional battery aircraft. During its record flight, Tianmushan-1 stayed airborne for more than 240 minutes. It traveled a verified distance of 188.605 kilometers and maintained stable handling throughout the mission. By the time the aircraft landed, the Guinness World Records team confirmed it as the longest distance flight ever achieved by a hydrogen-powered multi-rotor drone. Beyond the headline, the specifications reveal even more. Tianmushan-1 weighs 19 kilograms without payload and can carry up to 6 kilograms of equipment or supplies. It uses a hybrid power architecture where the hydrogen fuel cell provides steady power while a small battery delivers short bursts of extra energy for takeoff and maneuvering. The system performs reliably from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. That temperature range is extremely rare for battery-powered drones, which struggle in cold climates due to rapid capacity loss. This endurance unlocks a completely new set of missions. A drone that can fly nearly 200 kilometers without refueling becomes useful for ecological surveys, border patrol, power grid inspections, coastal monitoring, and emergency response. It can cross mountain ranges, resupply isolated locations, or carry sensors far beyond the reach of conventional UAVs. It can conduct beyond visual line of sight operations that previously required fixed-wing aircraft or helicopters. There is also a strategic dimension. Nations and companies are investing heavily in hydrogen aviation because hydrogen has one of the highest specific energy values of any practical fuel. For drones, it means longer missions. For aircraft, it hints at clean propulsion systems that could one day compete with internal combustion engines on range and endurance. The Tianmushan-1 is not just a drone. It is a demonstration of what hydrogen power can deliver when paired with modern aerodynamics and advanced fuel cell technology. While battery drones will continue to dominate short-range missions, hydrogen drones are stepping into their own category. They are becoming the tools for long-distance, long-duration, and high-reliability tasks. Tianmushan-1 is proof that hydrogen fuel cells are more than experimental ideas. They are ready for real deployments. They are stable, scalable, and capable of beating lithium batteries where endurance matters most. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping the future of clean aviation, hydrogen propulsion, and advanced drone technology, stay with Dezen. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore the discoveries that move humanity forward.